about to go on a helicopter today, and I'm already late, so we gotta hurry up.
All right, guys, it's been
Use the right lane to take the exit toward Pennsylvania Route 611.
I don't know if you guys heard my maps going crazy. But we are about to fly in a helicopter over New York City today. I'm so excited. I rushed out the house thinking that we were supposed to leave by 12:30, but people not getting there till like 12:59. And I rushed my hair, which is kind of
Take the exit.
awkward if you can't hear my maps telling me what to do. But yeah, so I kind of rushed.
In a quarter mile, turn left on.
As I was saying before I got really interrupted, I feel like the camera, it doesn't look like I rushed my look, but I did. I promise you I did. And now I found out I'm gonna be the earliest one, so I'm gonna have to pull over and kind of fix myself and get some food because I'm starving and we're not gonna eat for hours. So if you guys know me, you know I am a huge adrenaline junkie. Like, I've gone skydiving, swimming with sharks, scuba diving. I just love it all. So anytime there's a huge adventure excursion thing, count me in. I'm there. So we're gonna get to dangle our feet outside the helicopter over New York City. And I'm so excited. Oh my God. Also, quick question for y'all. Do y'all know if having an Easy Pass makes things cheaper? So I'm a Jersey girl. I never had an Easy Pass, never needed one. But then I moved to Philly. It's my 7th year in Philly. I cannot believe I just said 7 years. 7 years in Philadelphia. Anyway, I'm sorry. Philly's cool. Philly is cool. It's not New Jersey, but it's cool. And I frequently visit my friends a lot who live an hour and 30 minutes away from me. And I frequently have been late or running late to some things. So I end up having to take the toll routes. And the other day, meaning 2 days ago, I got a call. And they were like, "Hi, this is the tolls. You owe $156. How would you like to pay?" I was like, oh my gosh. And mind you, I know I've ran through some tolls. Like, I know that. But $156? Like, damn. So I'm like, okay, if I have Easy Pass, is it cheaper? But again, I don't know how many tolls that $156 was for. So I just want to know if there's a significant difference, or should I just keep running these tolls? I literally just bleached this jacket and I was like, don't get makeup on it. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not a good Dunkin'. And I'm about 10 minutes from Nessa's. Happy birthday, Nessa. I need to stop touching this coat. That's what I'm talking about. Sunday morning rain is falling, except it's not, and it's not Sunday. I have a bacon, egg, and cheese croissant, and that's it. Thank you. Thank you. All right, I secured the bag. I really don't want to ruin my makeup, but your girls gotta eat, man. Delicious. Oh my God. Don't do this while driving. I would have gotten a mocha, a frozen mocha, but I have a Celsius in my bag, so I was like, let me not. We are here. It's so cute in here. Oh my gosh. Are you excited? Happy birthday. Thank you.
Soon you'll be seeing your favorite city like never before.
Getting ready, all harnessed up. I do not have a harness on. I don't know if you can even see me. I do not have a harness on because I'm going co-pilot.
I don't even know how it's giving.
This isn't bad. This is everybody in the harness.
Wowza.
I did my research, y'all. Yes.
So I'm going to give out the life vest first.
Alright, y'all. The birthday girl is. Y'all ready? Girls are in the back. I am in the co-pilot seat. I don't think you can see them. But we out here. Yeah? I'm so excited. Pilot. We out here.
See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are